3 best websites for cheap car insurance in Texas. HA. Finding cheap car insurance in Texas sounds simple until the first quote looks great and then the price shifts once you add the coverage you actually need. That is where most people lose money without noticing. The tricky part is not just finding a low number, it is finding a site that helps you compare real options without turning the process into a maze of forms, calls, and vague pricing. And the most important detail is the one people usually discover too late. The site that feels fastest at the start is not always the one that leaves you with the best deal at the end. How these picks were judged. For Texas drivers, the best comparison sites usually do 3 things well. They make it easy to see multiple quotes, they keep the process clear, and they help you compare similar coverage instead of mixing cheap-looking plans that are not really. That matters even more in a state where rates can swing a lot depending on city, driving history, vehicle type, and how much protection you want. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. Option 3. Compare.com keeps things appealing because it tends to feel simple from the first screen. If you want a cleaner experience and you do not want to bounce around a dozen insurer sites, this is one of the easiest places to start. Its biggest strength is speed with clarity. For someone who mainly wants quick quote shopping without a lot of noise, it often feels less overwhelming than some alternatives. The honest catch is that simple does not always mean deepest. If you are the kind of shopper who wants to inspect every coverage detail right away, you may reach the comparison stage and still want one more pass before deciding. Option 2. The Zebra stands out when you want a broader comparison feel and a site that explains more of what you are looking. That can be especially useful in Texas, where the cheapest premium on screen is not always the smartest fit once deductibles and limits come into play. What makes it stronger here is context. It often feels more like a place to compare and understand, not just rush to a number. That said, more context can mean a slightly longer path. Some people will like that, others will feel it slows them down. But if you want better visibility before you commit, that trade-off can be worth. Option 1. Insurify takes the first spot because it usually balances the 2 things that matter most for this cert. It is fast enough to keep momentum, but detailed enough to help you avoid choosing a quote that only looked cheap at first glance. Its real edge is useful comparison without too much friction. For many drivers, that is the sweet spot.
You want multiple options, a smoother process, and enough detail to catch differences before they become expensive surprises.
It is also a strong fit for people who want to move from quote shopping to an actual decision without feeling like they have to restart the process somewhere else. What actually saves money? Here is the detail that decides whether these sites help or waste your time. The winning site is not the one with the flashiest first number. It is the one that lets you compare similar coverage side by side before you choose. That is why Insurify lands first. The Zebra follows closely, and Compare.com still deserves a place if your priority is speed and simplicity. So if you want the smartest path, start with the site that gives you a fast quote and enough detail to spot the hidden difference. That is usually where the real savings begin. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.